Propagate. I'm just giving you a quick update from a video I did a few weeks ago about peas. Okay, I put peas in guttering. As you can see, they're now growing nicely. I've already given some away to another project. So, okay, so we've done them in guttering. What I've done is put this down here, use it to make a furrow. Okay, so there's the furrow. And then what I do here, also you can find any tool, it doesn't have to be a gardening tool, so you don't need to buy anything in life. This is just a wall scraper. So what I can do is do this, and I slide it out. And the reason why I like that is because I don't touch the roots. Okay, and then I'll make another slice. There we go. Okay, and then I'll sort them out and I'll finish that. So hopefully now the peas will continue to grow. Well, I know they will continue to grow. So basically I'll do this and then I'll make another furrow about 20 centimetres apart and plant and put these in as well. And then what I'll do is, because of succession planting, I'll put some more peas, just seeds, just the pea seeds along there. So then these will grow and then other ones will grow over time. We've got 4 beds here. And this bed's just going to be for peas and beans. The bed over there is just for courgettes. And the bed over there is for root vegetables. And over here it's going to be brassicas. We're looking like we're going to do kale and cauliflowers or something. We haven't made up our minds yet. So basically if you've got this kind of space, that's great. If you don't, I'll go back to, if you look at these here, all the things, because this goes back to a video I did earlier about planting things in pots. So you can see everything's growing nicely. Spring onions, even the mint's coming through. I can see wee signs of the carrots and a wee sign of the rocket. So basically, and also if you go over to the plastic, what I'll do tonight is cover them up. It's been a lot of rain and the weather's going to pick up, so we'll just see where it goes. Here we go, we've got some peas planted. Another thing you can do, even if it doesn't come out, you can also just take it, gently pull, and you get different peas. And then you can space them. I like a beet because they're quite good at just keeping growing. So I'm going to continue to do that with the rest of these peas. I might even half them, but they're closer, so I'll give them a bit more spacing. Then I'm going to tape up the ends again. I'm going to put more soil in there, and I think I'm going to do spinach. So guttering's good, so now I can put spinach seeds in here. There's a person that I know that's got extra seeds, so I'm going to try New Zealand spinach. So basically, there we go, and the same again. So we can use these. Okay, thank you very much. And also, just remember, it's a YouTube channel. Do subscribe. And also, if you could donate, because it's all going to us to help us keep them going. So please do. Thank you very much. Cheers.